In this video, I will give you a top WhatsApp bulk messaging secret, an amazing tool that will make the entire process of sending bulk WhatsApp messages without getting blocked or banned easy and very much possible. Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Stay tuned till the end of the video because we are going to discover the secret together. Without wasting any time, let's dive into the video. The top 1 WhatsApp secret that you want to know if you want to bulk send WhatsApp messages. Businesses are usually very scared of sending bulk messages on WhatsApp because Meta blocks your account. But the secret that we are going to discuss is going to allow you to send WhatsApp messages promoting your business just like this that you can see on the screen, sending it to 1,000 plus contacts without getting blocked, banned or deleting your own WhatsApp business account. So over here, I am using this software in the name of Pabbly Chatflow, with the help of which you can easily manage the WhatsApp conversations in your business. If you want to access Pabbly Chatflow, simply search for www.pabbly.com/chatflow and you will come to the landing page just like this. Now, if you're a new user, you're logging in for the first time to see what is Pabbly Chatflow, what are the features, what you can do is simply sign up for free from here. As you are logging in for the first time, you will receive 100 free credits. Using the 100 credits, you can simply manage the WhatsApp conversations super easily, test it out what is Pabbly Chatflow and how it works in real time. Okay, so now after you're going to sign up for free, you can test out all the features. Now if you think that Pabbly Chatflow is suitable for your business, which I know for sure is going to happen, then what you can do is you can purchase our yearly or lifetime plans. Go to pricing and I will select the option of one-time plans because this is the best purchase that you can make. You can see already on our one-time plans we have offers going on. But what if you want additional discounts? The coupon code that you can see on the left side of my screen will allow you to get additional discounts on the purchase of one-time plans of Pabbly Chatflow. Now, if you want to purchase our yearly plans also, you can definitely do that. But I will prefer one-time plans because you can see we give multiple benefits with all our plans. So go ahead, purchase our Pabbly one-time plan. Automate your business WhatsApp conversations using this software. Now, after doing all of that, sign in from here and you will come to the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow just like this. Now after coming to the dashboard, now if you want to learn how you can set up your own Pabbly Chatflow account, like you have to add your WhatsApp number, if you want to learn how to do that, if you want to learn how Pabbly Chatflow works, what are the features, how all the features works, you can check out all the video links added in the description section below. Go ahead, check out our setup and then come back to this video. As now your setup is created, now I am going to tell you how you can send bulk WhatsApp messages very easily to all the contacts. First of all, add your contacts inside your Pabbly Chatflow to whom you want to send the bulk message to. Okay, you can create a contact list according to your requirement. I have created some of the list. Okay, I want to send the bulk messages towards my lead list, so I've added all the contact in that list. Now after the contact list has been created, now how can I send the bulk WhatsApp messages towards all these contacts? For that, first you need to create a template inside Pabbly Chatflow. You need to create a message draft that you can send to multiple contacts at once. Now over here, I have already created this template. If you want to learn in brief how you can create an entire template, a promotional template for your business as well, you can check out the template video in the description section. We have briefly told you how you can create a template for yourself. I have created one with the header of image and this is the exact body of my template. Now I want to share this template as bulk WhatsApp messages just like this towards all my contacts. Now how can I do that? How can I do I have to send this template message manually to every single contact one by one? No, that is not the use case. We want to send bulk WhatsApp messages. Is that possible with Pabbly Chatflow? Yes, it is. Simply now after creating the template, you will see the template status is going to be approved. Now who is approving this template? Meta is approving the template. So as now Meta has approved the template, this is safe to send to all your contacts. Okay. So Meta has given the approval for this template. Now to send bulk WhatsApp messages, go towards this option, that is broadcast. Now, broadcast will allow you to send bulk messages to the contact list that you have created inside Pabbly Chatflow. So now I will teach you how you can create this broadcast to send bulk WhatsApp messages. Now for that, simply go towards this add broadcast button. You will come to the WhatsApp broadcast page. Now let's create a broadcast together. Okay, now first of all we have to select the broadcast type. There are two types we have available right now, that is broadcast campaign and API campaign. You can select the type according to your requirement. I will select it as broadcast campaign. Now next we have to give a name towards our broadcast. So for the name of my broadcast over here, I will write it as marketing message broadcast. So this is the name of my broadcast that I have given. After naming the broadcast, now we need to select the contact list. To which contact list do you want to send the bulk messages to? So I have created a contact list in the name of this leads list. Towards all the leads that is added inside this list as a contact, they will receive the broadcast message. So I have selected the contact list from here. Now as we have selected the contact list, now if you want to refine the audience, you can do that from this section, but I don't want that, so I will simply skip the part. Okay, next is we have to select the message type. What message type do I want to send in this broadcast? I have created a pre-approved template. So I will select the option of pre-approved template message from here. But if you want to add in a regular message, you can definitely do that. But pre-approved template is the safer version, because as it is Meta's approved template, you can send this template easily on WhatsApp and there are high chances your account won't be blocked. So create a template, approve it from the Meta side and then send that template as a broadcast message. That is my suggestion to you. Okay. Now I will select the broadcast message template from this section. I have created a template in the name of Glow Mousse Cosmetics. So I will select this template from here. And now as I have selected the header type as image, so I want to send an image just like this as a promotion of my business. So we need to add in that image over here. I'm going to click on this upload from media library option and upload a new file from here. Click on this button. Simply then from your computer select the file that you want to upload it right here, and the file is going to appear in this gallery. Select that file and insert it inside the message. So this is how the preview of the message is going to look like. Exclusive beauty offer from Glow Mousse Cosmetics. Hello dear, it's time to refresh your makeup collection. Enjoy your exclusive discount on best selling beauty products. This is the offer. You can see, hurry up, the offer is available for limited time only. An amazing promotional message for my business is set like this. Now this exact message is going to be forwarded towards all the contacts that is added in your contact list. Okay, so I'm going to click on this done button. As soon as I will do that, you will see the preview again over here in this section. Now you can see the preview in this format right here, but what if you want to see it on your phone, or you want to see that what kind of a WhatsApp message will be forwarded? For that, simply you can add your username. My username is test user, that's my name, and I will add in my phone number and I'm going to test this broadcast that what kind of a message will be forwarded. So I will add in my phone number right here and simply send the message from here. As soon as I will do that, it says test broadcast send. Now towards this number that is added right here, you will again receive a new WhatsApp message. Now this is the exact message that will be forwarded towards all your customers or contacts or leads that you have selected in the contact list. Okay, now over here we have tested the broadcast. This is the exact message I want to send towards all my customers or to my contact list. Now last is, do you want to schedule this broadcast? Now this is a very amazing feature. Let's suppose the offer that I've added over here in the message is going to be activated after 10 days from today. So now I want to be pre-prepared for this message to be forwarded. I wanted to be prepared in advance that this is the kind of broadcast I want to share. So can you schedule this broadcast to send it later? Yes, Pabbly Chatflow gives you the option for that as well. The option is schedule broadcast. If you want to instantly send this message towards all the contacts, we have the option of send instantly as well. But if you want to schedule, go to this yes option. Now select the date and time on when this broadcast should run. For that, simply go to this calendar option I want this broadcast should run on 25th of June 2026 and I will select the timing as 12 p.m. Now 25th of June 2026 at 12 p.m. this broadcast is going to run live and the messages are going to be forwarded towards the contacts that is added in your contact list. Okay. Now as I've scheduled the time, I will add the broadcast from here. As I have done that, you will see the marketing message broadcast is scheduled for 25th of June 2026 at 12 p.m. I have created this broadcast right over here and it is scheduled successfully and this message is going to be forwarded. So now the broadcast is created. This was the secret, guys. This is the tool which is going to make your bulk WhatsApp message sending friendly for everyone. It was very easy, no technical skills were required, and as the things are meta approved, there are high chances your account won't be banned as well. And when this broadcast is going to run live and the broadcast messages are going to be sent, you will see the broadcast stats on the same page right here. You can see all the broadcast report in this section so that you can see how is your broadcast performing live. Okay, so this is how you send bulk WhatsApp messages towards your contacts without doing anything manually. Create your broadcast and the messages to all the contacts will be forwarded automatically. You don't have to copy paste the messages to send promotional WhatsApp messages to every contact. Simply create the broadcast from Pabbly Chatflow and your work is totally completed. Now, if you have any questions or doubts related to sending bulk messages on WhatsApp for your business, you need to comment down below and I will reply to all your queries. With that, if you want to send broadcast messages just like this to promote your business on WhatsApp, because this is a very beneficial thing, let me just tell you that very clearly. Everyone uses WhatsApp as a communication platform nowadays, and if you're promoting your business on WhatsApp and people are frequently online on that application, they are going to see the promotional message just like this, and that person can be converted into the paid customer of your business very easily and quickly just through simple messages like this. So you need to go and purchase Pabbly Chatflow's one-time plan, send broadcast messages and promote your business super easily using this application without getting blocked or banned by Meta. And you can promote your business without hiring any agency. Simply purchase Pabbly Chatflow and your entire work is done. Now, if you want to purchase, use the code on the checkout that's on the left side of my screen. The same code is in the description section. So this was it for this video, guys. Thank you for staying tuned till the end of this video. Thank you so much for watching.
Not just this WhatsApp automation, you can use Pabbly Chatflow for different WhatsApp use cases as well. If you want to know about the different pricing plans of Pabbly Chatflow, you can check out this link given over here on the screen. And if you want to email us or ask any queries, you can email us on sales@pabbly.com. If you have any questions or doubts, comment down below. I will reply to all the queries as soon as possible. Subscribe to our channel and hit the like button. Thank you so much for watching.